Hi, this is Kerry from Optical Structures, and we're going to look at the Astrodon Off-Axis Guider adapters. Um, the adapters are kind of the key to making an OAG system work. Um, so if we look at a guider, this is our Mega Moog. It's got the telescope side connection and the camera or filter wheel side connection. The Mega Moog has a 4-inch input and a 3-inch output. Our Monster Moog has 3-inch input and output. But the process is going to be the same. So we have some standard adapters, and they may work for you, but oftentimes you need a custom adapter to connect to your particular telescope, or really you're almost always going to do something custom on the output side to get your back focus spacing correct. So what we recommend is that use precise parts to create that adapter. And I'm going to go ahead and switch over here, and we're going to look at how we can do that. So the thing to keep in mind is that you've got two adapters to design. First the telescope side and then the camera side. So let's do a telescope connection, and then we'll reset this tool and do a camera connection. So it's pretty simple. We're going to go to preciseparts.com and use their built-in adapter, and we're going to select our telescope brand to start with, which we're going to do a Takahashi connection, and then our device brand, which is going to be Astrodon, and click next. And then we're going to pick our device. So let's connect this to an FSQ106. FSQ106 in, and we'll connect it to the back of the camera angle adapter so we can rotate everything. And then we're going to select the Astrodon device, and we'll do the Mega Moog without adapter. So there's our Mega Moog without this adapter in place. So it's just the 4-inch bore. So we're going to connect the telescope directly to the 4-inch bore, and then we're going to put 0 in this box to make it as short as possible. There's a reason for making them longer. That's the topic of another video. And then we're going to hit build, and it's designed our adapter and actually quoted it for us. A little 3D model, so you can see this little groove here is the retaining groove for the Monster Moog side, and this is the threads that will screw right onto the Takahashi camera angle adapter. So that's the telescope side. So let's start over, and now let's connect the guider to our camera. So let's say we're just going to connect this directly to where is it here? A QHY camera, no filter wheel. So the device will be our Mega Moog without adapter, and this is where we're going to always have some calculated length. Again, that's a topic of another video on how to determine that length, but let's say this is going to be 20 millimeters long, and our device is going to be a, let's pick a big camera here. Where is it here? QHY 600 thread. And then we're going to build that. And there's our adapter for a pretty good price. You can take a peek at our little 3D thing. So again, that's the Astrodon flange, and that's going to screw right into the front of the camera. Of course, then you would add these to your cart and check out, and Ashley at Precise Parts will make your parts for you, anodize them, and ship them to you. So that's how simple it is to get the custom adapters you need. As I mentioned a couple times in the video, getting the spacing correctly, there's some calculations to be done. We can assist you with that. I'm creating some tools for that. And so that's going to be a topic of another video and more information on the website. All right. Thank you.